Hi everybody and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay guys, you guys have given me some great feedback and you said you really liked the fake donut toppings that I made, and you asked if I would make some more tutorials on more fake toppings. So without further ado, I've actually done that. So here it is. So I'm just going to show you which ones, if you follow these next 6 tutorials, what you would make. So here they are, guys. Don't they look absolutely scrummy? Good enough to eat, but obviously you wouldn't do that because these are all fake. So what I'd like to do next is just show you, talk you through what they are. And then you just need to follow my tutorials. There'll be 6 because there's 6 donuts, funny that. And you will learn how to make them. So you can add them to your collection of the other tutorials that I've made toppings with before. Okay, so let me do that. The first one I'd like to show you is this one. Now, doesn't that look absolutely great? Now, this is a chocolate sauce with chocolate balls. That's right. You heard it here first, guys. Chocolate sauce with chocolate balls. So I show you how to make that one. So that's good, isn't it? The next one I will show you is this one. And this is lemon sauce with lemon balls. A little thing going on here, isn't there? Yes, see? You got it already. So yes, lemon sauce with lemon balls. And the next one I'd like to show you is this one. And that's strawberry sauce with strawberry balls. Okay, like I said, little thing going on there. And then I changed the theme slightly. And I'd like to show you this one, which is sugar. A sugared ringed donut. Okay, so I'll show you how to make that. That looks scrummy as well, doesn't it? And then we've got this one, slightly different to the norm. There you go. Doesn't that look absolutely cute? And that is fondant stars on fondant icing and with chocolate chips. And I show you how to make all those. And yes, that looks absolutely scrummy, doesn't it? And the last one I'd like to show you today is this one. And this is chocolate sauce with chocolate chips. Okay. And I show you how to actually make fake chocolate chips. So there you go, guys. All exciting stuff. So I've made these tutorials for you to make these, and I shall make some more in the future if you like these as well, and go from there. So that's the way I roll, guys. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Let me know how you get on with making these, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.